chukwe make you run. Guy can even knock a number you can miss a gym number guy for don't call you. Arabina go Carlos. I see you. Well done. Everybody. Una welcome. And people please share I'm sharing it in the share. Yes. We are here to expose the lies of the people that are telling you they are hearing from God. See, knowing God, like if you know the nature of God, if you know the nature of righteousness, when you hear God or Satan, there is no Satan like a body called Satan anywhere. It's only your imagination and what you were told. There is no physical God as an image. God and Satan represent two principles. One is for creation, manufacturing, bringing things into existence. The other is for destruction, evil, atrocity. And we have two of these philosophies existing in our lives. Your ability to reject anything that will bring harm, destruction, and embrace anything that will bring creativity. You spread knowledge, wisdom, omnipotent, omniscient, omnipresent. The nature, that philosophy, what it stands for. It is not these people that be doing their eyes like this. It's a lie. And according Marcus Aurelius said, how do you know a thing by what it does? How do you know a thing, comma? And he answered it by what it does. How do you know that a lavender smells nice? It's by the smell you perceive around it. How do you know that bitter leaf is bitter? It's in eating it. So they all do what they are called. But humans, because we can talk, we have a higher level of consciousness than plants, than animals. We are able to claim what we are not. A pig doesn't need to tell you it's clean. You see it playing in the dirt. A lion doesn't need to show you its strength. You hope not to encounter it. You know it already. But humans, fraudsters can be telling you they are seeing God, while they will see somebody with vitiligo and tell her that it is a spiritual attack from the mother-in-law. These are liars. So there is nothing I will hear about them pertaining to lying that will face me. I know them, I know their nature. Guys, please hit the like button. Authority Nabundo, the other one. Odogwata, Kenneth, I see you. Victor Zuma, Ife Cool. This one say now we say because tomorrow will be Nandi, Zukwanike. You don't even know to also, you didn't even go to school. You are answering Mweke Monday. In Azadi Mweke, in Azamunda, Mamwe, she could take one anum, Kanum Pamon also. Who is this? Who, if you see, all these women with dogs they sleep with, we need to remove them from the society. They shouldn't be procreating. If not, why will you be giving birth to a cocoa like this? These ones they know their father self. They their mother boyfriend, they did their father phone, they fuck their mother. You come here, they talk nonsense. If you call you thief, we'll show you what you thief. Shebi una here see their video where then they circulate, say I threatened the Ebuka Obi and the family Abi. No problem. Make I play the video for now. Now the video I want play for now. Make una see where they from Qatar. Some people were saying, hey, Ijele, you don't know that you should be bringing this to court. You don't need to show them. Wait, I say what we are doing is like time. Una don't bring am already, una don't bring am. Una go table am now, no be on evidence wey una show. Una go table am. This one na one example. Now one example be this one. The other ones dey. Say make una bring come now. We don't download every video keep. We dey wait for una. Una cut and join abi. Let me show you how these people are liars. For those of you that are fasting, go and eat o. Go and eat o. Okay? You need your updates. Day 2.5. Go and eat. Hapụkwa ihe unu na-emeheri si na unu na-eji ebu ọnụ 100 days. Which kind God need you to suffer? See the people, see wetin they do now. The people where God tell them, make they tell you to suffer, no chop, before you go receive your blessing. Make I play the video for you. Doshi. See the video when they share, they talk say their father threatened the Ebuka Obi and the family. When I go see am here now, no be here. Hey, don't mention his name. Shut up. I won't mention the name of the person I have a case with or what. This I follow now they sign this nonsense where they go sign for police station for wait. Now police they interpret the law or the court. That. No make false accusation. That's the only thing. Let me block this also. Go. You know your father. That's why you are hiding inside the fake account. 3 people for profile picture. Which one do you be? I don't know. Uzu. Oh yeah. Make una see video. See the video here. This is the video I made when they arrested Matthias. When they took Matthias, that was when I did this video. So even Matthias couldn't even bring that video and say, no, he did not say it that way. You see all of on where they talk say on be traditionalist. If you go up and get one day. Now for in video, now for that where they catch up. Now I do this thing. Your pastor will invite you. I will come and preach in your church. And I God will I greet you, my brother. Monsa. I go come preach. Make them see say they know sabi preach. Shebi you don't see the sermon what I first give you. And now you go think say all these people where they do their eye like this, they know Bible pass me. She said they know Bible pass me, they burn them well. Now during Matthias time we do that thing. So start watching it from the 15th minute. The video no long, now 28 minutes. Go and start from the beginning. I don't know what happened to them for the king of the game. Facebook will come explain to us how video where person do their disappear without him removing it. Thankfully, we have it on the other pages and I don't go download them. I don't download all of them. If to say, now the king of the game, you go see this thing where I from. Saying pastor now my friend, no problem. No write anybody name. You they see him, now that Matthias matter. Now that place is from. Ebi I greet you, my brother. Let me block one also. And the only fake account then go they use the con. Ndoshi. See how on our pastors they lie. Now, the full 28 minutes, 49 seconds there, I will skip them to 15 minutes. Then you see everything in context. And I'm happy the man where I send that letter to where I give that thing when they arrest Matthias. No be Malcolm them or this thing. These people know why they go for settlement. You understand? So let me expose. This I say you go explain that. No, I'm not go explain that. I'm not go come court now. Come explain it there. You understand? Yes, I personally contacted Matthias about your case. Yes, he never said anything about it, despite that you fought for him. The Oga, when things happen, now you go know who be real traditionalists. Matthias, not their own religion, then they set up, no be traditionalists. Chizoba George, I see you. Where is our sister Chizoba Nwosu? I never see her comment since. Is she okay? Eh? Henry Chimeze, where is Chizoba Nwosu? Is she okay? Let me play it for you people now. Watch it. Matthias Ezaku. I wrote everything to him. So I don't even need to wait for Waja then to know where they are holding. After this video, I go call her. If need be, I go in office. You know where your office is? Inside villa. Me, I go villa, go see am there. I go villa, go see am inside that suburb. So make we know that if Ebuka Obi do this thing, man, he go get in there. Chebron and say, oh, he remain Ijele. Okay, make I should go come home. You see, where at first I say, if nine, because they say no bia. They come, but there are people, they threaten me. Oh, this one is not against any law in Nigeria. You see, you know, sound good though, he dey bite for ear, but it's not against. This video must go on now. If I like, guys, please hit the like button. Hit the like button. This video must continue. If he off, we'll go on and again. If he off, we'll go on and again. If he off, we go on and back. Maybe block one also. It's not true, Matthias or worried. Worried in what way? Like he posted something or did what? I carried banner on his own case. You understand? You hear him? Any law violated so far? No. Guys, please hit the like button, share the video. If engagement day, they no go this their report, no go the work. Of course, you don't say they know the rest now. They know they sleep. I tell you, so we could give them sleepless night. It will be make them do one miracle again, make us Ndoshi. I've told you people, stop this your Biafra nonsense and stop this nonsense hatred against the country. All the evil you people are pinning on the country are coming from your own people. Stand strong, defend the flag, and the flag will defend you. As I did for Nigeria. Ebuka Obi too small. If he comes and says he's doing miracle, I will tell him, you are a liar, and there is nothing he will do. Yes, so I maintain he cannot perform any miracle. You dey hear me back? He cannot perform any miracle. I maintain it till tomorrow. Shebi will dey judgment now. A ga-akpọte ndị nwụrụ anwụ. A ga-akpọte ndị nwụrụ anwụ. You understand? Who be in there? I saw all of them there together. Those churches, so those politicians, so all of them now together. Then they operate. Now after this case, then go plan all those names they canalize, human trafficker, whatever. Go tell them for villa. You understand? Not be they go tell them for villa. The day when they invite me for police, people don't come from villa. And at this thing, they go from back, go show them. Those people run. Because they were hearing it even from APC people from the southeast. All of them, they work together. Person where they speak against president, no being, they say police and DSS, army and DSS, they protect the land where they collect from Ngopala people. We go soon enter down Ngopala. Court today's session. We need action. Prince Living is not strong. I know now. Umokoko, the case never finish now. You dey use fake account. Make I block you first. The case now case won't start. Ozu, you got appeal again. Appeal issue there. Now the case won't start. You know to understand. Now the matter won't begin. You know when you go be cyberbullying and cyber stalking. Now when you go come wake up one cripple, make one cripple work for court. We go chatter cripple, we go chatter blind people, we go chatter people wey get vitiligo, then we go pack padlock. See Okoko, it is say case don't finish. Nah, the matter won't start. Eh? If he made it, you can work a key, Maricha. Oh, when they ban it to my photo, like this, I will be named Moto. When some men ban it to my photo. Authority in Nabundo, the book. Okay? Umutobo, unatin say case no, he go come wake up dead people. Every arrange no fit delete. Now the delete I will go use way back machine, bring her back. That man where the People's Club man, Washington DC, Una match and finish for una field, December. Say una don't save him. January, he sees that carry him in picture when they dance for a funeral. The video they hear that I follow for that big go submit that one by myself. You dey hear am? Make we dey go. Nothing. In fact, you no get policeman wey go say you wan come my house. He walk there with that day before one can go and when they get batan then they make you for. I will make sure they sack you after they sack. Of course. Shebi una say the day where una father go come out for court, say una go do una father waiting. And na that day una foresee that gun now. Yes. Hey, they say he pack gun. Say he go buy police. Shebi you don't see where the thing from. Ndoshi. Shebi you don't see where you from. Of which if on a trial that day. Hey, Achekate chaka. Unu phone man no. Abụghị nọ na ayi ọnụ. Afọtọ adị ọnụ. Akwụnụ phone man ka ebuchana ya na-echene. Enwere onye ka dị like a na-egbugodu ga-egbu self like enwegodu ihe a na-eji blackmail ga-asị gị jee dị eje nwe onwe gị ga-ekwe na koifum ka nna aga n'Owerri iti isi amụgo ga amụ. Anụ mpama egwu ama nkwedi gị ruo side ahụ no eme mgbe transfer ndoshi. Hey, he say he get bad guy. He can do it. Make on see am ndoshi ndị na-afuru unu chukwu people where they climb mountain they roll for ground for na. See there ndoshi. The video dey na. Wete when video na court una go hear me. This one na small opening wey I just give on. More na go re-strategize. That you na write for board. Go clean am. Arsenal and Arsenal I know who anything this time. Umutobo. Oh, he say he go buy police. Make I see Shebi una don't bring new prosecutor. Case una don't know whether AGF go still take am over. I have not exercised that right yet too. Umwe report one issue. Guys, please tap the like. Poem like Bill Gates, they share money. They share grant. Like the video, like and share. That wanted poster one I use to declare on our father wanted. You see from that Yana court, ona go bring her. You dey hear am? Case never start. This is one of the evidence. We never reach court to. You don't declare. So far, I cannot make any accusation. Guys, if you can hear me, say yeah. When they hear me so, you know say Baba don't fight in own way social media no day. We say no only music, you take the finish on. When I get TV, get satellite, get whatever, give them bad name finish. Today na sense. You see am. Today these days we get social media on I go hear way. Shebi una things that I go share for social media. No, na no dey do miracle again. No, na no dey do miracle again. No. Ewodo Chineke me. No, na no miracle no gree do again. No. Echezo na okay here. That okay ga here gimunem. Watch am. I will put you on blast. Yes. Okay. Ejike Peter, where are you? You go to police. We are police uniform again now. Ejike Peter, the rest will go still come court. Even Ejike Peter, but I no go that side because that side still dey court. Waiting I know be say both who bring invitation, who sign petition, IPO, everybody go come court. Everybody go come answer for himself. Where GK Peter, you know the police again. Through all force, they don't Saga. And I hear say they want bring her for back. No worry now. We'll never begin matter. We people. I smell burning uniform. Uniform where they burn, they smell everywhere. You get people where I don't go mention yet. Now when we go round now with IPOB connection, wait till they come now. Who signed that Nnamdi Kanu wanted poster where he post that time? Who signed them? Barrister lawyer Ejiofor. I know waiting be if I need Ejiofor. Now him brother Obi or Ejiofor. I say we still they come on the IPOB ESN part of detail. You dey hear me? We never begin, no. Ndoshi. I will put you on blast. All the people who you offend, then go go after you, buy your family. Every problem. You see, I say now the same people go buy your full family. They say I go buy their full family. Shebi una see am again. Make we plan again. This one now, 16th minute and 20 seconds. Start from there. But I go start from 16. Let me start from 16:00. Make you hear them again. Let me start from. You are a liar, and there is nothing he will do. Nothing. In fact, you know get policeman will go. Say you want come my house. He walk out with that day before I'm going to go. And when they get back, then they make you. I will make sure they sack you. After they sack you, I will put you on blast. Okay? I will put you on blast. All the people who you offend, and then go after you, buy your full family. Every you see, buddy, the church. The church. No can do kochapara nke season na. Unu kochapara nke trip akwete. Shebi una don see enwere also for there. Una hear Ebuka Obi there. They go cut your ass here Ebuka Obi there enjoy for this one. Say no evidence. Thunder ga agbori chi unu ni ishi. Una dey see am. Una dey see am. Did you hear it or not? Of course, my Lord, these are my star witness in this case. I said they bring the rope where they go use hand them. Now they use their hand lead their rope. Yes. Now them use their hand bring their rope. You dey see am. You dey see am. Eziokwu oputagokwu ihe. Una never jam. You remain Hezekiah own who they come. Gradual, I say we never marathon now una sprint. Una don't gas out now. We still the job. Hey, Chineke, this one go too sweet. The next court date, they can't design why I go sue. And you know, say, I get 3rd, I get 13th of November. And the way I go dress, on the chair like this. And I go, see, people have fun. Have fun with beating them. What do they have? The next thing is to open the padlock now. Jonathan, they there. You are choosing people. Abi? Arsenal 3-2, 76 minutes. Person go dey sick. Instead, make una give am treatment, help them. Una go say make they drink olive oil, they drink water, they go dey kpai. Una say, e get one girl wey I know, she just do fibroid. She first do fibroid operation. E get some wey they no cut finish. Then e get one better doctor wey dey this Abuja wey help am. They do another one now. She is not living with the sister. She has to go to a friend's house and stay. Why? The sister say she go do that fibroid operation. Say she no go even help am clean her body. Say that prayer. If she no believe in prayer, make she leave her. He said, Ijele, please don't give her your secret. I said, wetin would they give them be like time. It be like time. They're already in the middle of Atlantic Ocean where you want swim go. The fish, they come like this. Where you want swim go. The fish no need to come from under. As e dey from they come, you no go swim go everywhere you go. You don't catch it. It's like time. You can't take it back. It don't happen. Back to this girl's story. A girl wey dem just discharged for hospital today. Na another place she go dey stay with the friend. The sister say she no go take care of her. Why? Na prayer she for dey wait for. Fibroid. Na because criminals, all these criminals wey tell you say they dey heal sickness, don work on their brain, scatter their brain. They don't work on their brain, scatter their brain. This one say, Ijele, my brother, please leave now the Kano matter so that it will not distract your good movement. No, the good movement starts from even exposing that one. Have you seen their camps at Ekbora? See, I'm not here to please anybody. If you want half truth, get out of here. Get out. Just check what we are saying. No matter how tingly it sounds to you based on the orientation you've received and your developmental ideologies. At your developmental age, the ideologies that they find inside there like shelf, you go, they make you, they don't. No, calm down and look at what we are saying. Are we lying? Are we lying or are we telling the truth? It's not about your feelings, it's about the truth. Did you read the motto on the page? The truth is the truth. You understand? Don't come here telling me, no, we don't do it like that here. Whomever it is. Some people got off this train when we started exposing these pastors. Guess what? The train kept on moving. Some people got off on Peter Obi. Guess what? The train started moving. No be now people, they bring tweets. What I was telling you in 2022. Now waiting people, they tweet in 2011, in 2012. And they don't declare some of them for I now. And you want me to do what? No, don't do that thing here. We are not targeting anybody, but if you are a part of these false symbols they are using to create these messianic figures in our place, get the hell out of here. What are you saying? Look at Akwa, everybody carrying a case for her. But look at the people you say they should live for you. That's Nnamdi, Forte's friend. Now my uncle friend. Now I go still play the video where they use my uncle do for their church. What did he tell me in court? He no say the person wey dey im back na Sahara reporters, journalists. That Ernest dey there, the two people wey dey im back na Sahara reporter journalists. That fine girl wey dey there and the other guy. The guy na him even be the cameraman wey record you everything wey you talk. Say make I leave this church own. Say if I dey talk about only this Nnamdi Kanu own, say me I go dey get people, even him, he no like which he go deny am. He won't deny am. Meanwhile, somebody from the north contacted the senator from Abia State on this case. Do you know what he told him? That I should sign an undertaking. Part of the undertaking is never to talk about IPOB again. What business does he have with fake pastor case? The day wey una go open una eye, see how dem dey chop una for that place, una go vex pass me. This is a mission that is bigger than each and every one of us. We've spread that knowledge, we spread it. And all the fake people that are learning from us but still using it to destroy you, confuse you in a religious way, materials number one. You go still, somebody say, oh, you can, are you they call the name? I don't know where I foresee that name. But I know that from other states. A senator, a serving senator. So for the people, they see waiting they worry una for that is no difficult. Na sense una no get. No na brain una no open. There is nothing that is a secret now. It shouldn't, but they use many things. They confuse on BB Niger, football, this one. They keep you busy, entertainment. And your place they finish. Nightclubs they on certain places. So Shebion, I don't see this one. Go watch the video. I will still share the video for our WhatsApp group. Bless them. I beg, I go make you admin for my Telegram channel. You put the full video on Telegram. It will be a symbol of shame to all of them. Let them come and talk nonsense again, say it's prophecy. I've been at this one, then they use fake anonymous accounts. And the men anonymous wey John Brennan don't finish 2015. Now then they turn on and say, tell this girl, say, maybe they don't plan to kidnap her. Make her show on her. Make her show on her this one. See waiting then they write. Hold on. Anonymous don't leave secret government documents now. Nah, people then they tell when they want kidnap them. Okay, if you know, why don't you inform the authorities to catch those that are planning it, since you know the future? Yeah. Ndoshi. I'm coming. People who will expose for NSAS, they don't come again. Ndoshi. Let's make I play and they go through my page. Oh boy, I do supposed to see posting. Make I show on how they come. See, I'm here. They say anonymous group. See, which kind of nonsense anonymous group? Anonymous where they don't destroy. Wait, let me block the also. Let me block one who's block one who's you get to go to this account to buy first. Shebi na they see anonymous group. You say hello Vivian. Watch. If una know this Vivian, tell am say some people don't they plan, and if it be from her husband in place, they plan that thing. You understand? Now let me read it. Hello Vivian, how you are about to travel to see your mother-in-law your mother-in-law, the mom of your no comma, no full stop. the mom of your husband, you have planned your journey to be on Saturday, 2nd August 2025. I urge you to cancel that journey and postponed. Postponed. In English. See English. Mommy Joy from Belgium, I greet you. Cake email. Postponed. Past tense. Till next month. Wetin una wan chop dis month wey una no wan make you see? Which kind evil meeting una wan use am do dis Vivian do for dis August meeting wey una no wan make she go, make she dey present? Abi una wan share the family land, una no wan make she dey there? Authority power daalụ nwanne. Which meeting una no wan make she dey present wey una wan do against am? If the husband dey there, she no dey, maybe the husband hand down. More una tell dis Vivian say na scope be dis. See the second and the last paragraph. I know you might want to still doubt this and still want to go ahead to travel because you felt you have already bought. You see, you felt legal English. You are telling me a British man wrote this? You have already bought your travel ticket. Now, comma, no space. But you started the B in capital letter. There's only illiterate. But if you do, be sure that you would be kidnapped on the road. The car meant to convey you would be accosted. See the spelling of the accosted. A-C-C-U-S-T-E-D. Pure bingo English. Pure bingo English. This is a bingo English. And more than 10 passengers will be kidnapped and ransom demanded. Do well to heed to this advice and instructions. Do no comma or no full stop. Do not go on that journey. See this girl. More na tell am. This one go resemble people wey dey give prophecy. Shebi you see how dem dey stage kidnapping. Na this same page, they make I give you another news wey you go see here. I dey come. Ndoshi. Make I give you another this thing. Then go dey carry Gay Fox. This I dey come. Make I show you another one. Wait, baby. That one I even put am for my group. Oh yeah. See another picture where they there exposing watch. You see how they come. How they come, make I read the other one. E be like say the first already no work, we expose them, they bring another one. Check whether they want people, some people want stage buying. Doshi. But these people can post too. Okay, let me look for it from my page. Doshi. Na POB English na. Na POB English. Chineke bo. Biadu me kwari jozo. Hey. Mbaka ka ha na wine dey ya ka onye. Eji ya wine Mbaka, although they are not whining anybody on this page now. They are not whining anybody on this page. I really they want you. Gentle no call himself Rasta Fader. He say na Rasta man. He no say Rasta man. I no accuse him of waiting in no talk. I hate accusing people falsely. He said Rasta. Where to make I fit do that one? Nda anonymous. Nda anonymous. Anonymous ndushi. Anini. See the other anonymous post. See them again. See what I wrote there. Fraudsters. Seems someone is about to expose the criminals. Now they are circling their wagons. Does it mean Ofucharafancha doesn't see everything anymore? They know say na Omufu the Mumu members head. Well, make we read them. Read with me, my people. He says, a man with name instead of by. He say with name, IPOB English. Obi Ebuka, an evangelist and a preacher, is currently being set up yet again by a group of pastors and reverends who believe and thinks he's got some kind of voodoo. See capital letter. He's working with no full stop. He's working with some working with, comma, you see, some claim he makes manipulations and all miracles and testimonies are fake. You see, as a result of this, there is currently a plan underway. A man and the, no comma, no full stop. A man and the woman has been, instead of have humility, contacted to play blind and the other to play cripple. They shall go to the ground where Mr. Obi prays and just my people, go to the happen. They know here that corrupt man. Anonymous in a messy anointing call get it no bad. Get it down according. No, don't worry, I'll get better court. Jibu will should not get in a vote. Okay, been a court. No, and for those of their useless bloggers that shared that video, don't worry, na anybody wey I say I know they use police. Na court go send you letter, you go come explain yourself very well where you for see that video and why you for take and make video. Auntie Sabo, blessed them, I see you. Mama Sabo, Adaches and Wakening. You see where you see me that attack any of their useless bloggers? No, I say when the time reach, they go call you, go come explain where I threaten in family with that video where they your page. If you know the do what? They go jam you with all those people where they buy people with their hair, then they go day together there. Mama Sabo, do you want to join us on live video, even if it's 5 to 10 minutes? Let make this one too sweet. Mama Sabo, do you care? Let me block one also. You see, I'm not so then they fake Yoruba name. Ndoshi. Kenneth Nwachukwu, I see you. Shebi una don't see am again. Where they say I go buy Ebuka Obi by the family. Shebi I don't show you the video. Start from the 15th minute. The video then the page. MD. Then the Chimezeda. I don't share the video for this page. Go watch am again. Watch am in full. In context. Watch am in context. See whether you see where they mention Ebuka Obi name there. Odoguata, please help me cut from 15 to 17th minute. Make we give them full 2 minutes. Abeg, help me cut am. Cut from the 15th to the 17th minute. Shebi una wan share video, una go share video tire. Where una VDM? Don't worry, I go mention am. Million obalu da anu nwanne. Nwachukwu akọrọ ifeanyi. Bayero Ada, Emeka Nwosu. I salute all of you. So my people, anybody that has any question or anybody that has any contribution can send in your request. I will accept it. Since morning I have not felt like eating well. Only fruits and vegetables. Match ended, Arsenal at 2, Villarreal at 3. He said, don't forget Jeb. I say, calm down. Okay? Calm down, Igbo Abuchi. Me block one also. Calm down, my brother. I know they for police. Now bench warrant they give people. I know they for police. I know they for police thing. Since you don't enter court, everybody must reach court. Skip that side. Okay? Let me accept Mommy Joy. We skip from all of them. Una go come court, come explain. I know they do at the time you do and finish. Nobody go escape am. Shebi only man and this say me I tell am make you do wetin. You go come explain where I tell am. So everybody knows say nobody safe. Mommy Joy from Belgium, I'm trying to accept Odugbata. Mommy Joy is not accepting. Let me bring Odugbata. What is the scoreline again? I said that too. Villarreal tell it. Hello. Hello, my brother Monsa. Odogwu Alpha.
I'm fine, brother. I built the house.
Well done, my brother. Go ahead.
Uh, the one of the stuff I just want to tell you is we need to prioritize of who will fight, people who will fight for these days. Those who will fight for in the past, if they are not to fight for in case they are into any problem again, that you should ever fight for them because they don't deserve it. They don't understand what is freedom. They don't appreciate those who were there for them. So we have to prioritize your fight these days. Especially the people who are the so-called who pay their traditional needs. It's a right to
You
have
want
your
to
vote.
send that request. We are not hearing, we are getting some of the words, but it's cutting. Charles One Biafra said, Ijele, I really love your effort in Igbo land over security. It's now people see what you saw. My advice is please stop attacking church. People really like you. I have never attacked any church. It's the same thing the criminal Nnamdi Kanu told you people that I was attacking Biafra. No, I was attacking IPOB. And I'm telling you, we are Igbos, we are not Biafra. I was attacking his private business. And when he formed these criminals, I told you people this is what is going to happen. He said you are against Igbo. I don't know how you people think. It's just like this church issue. I am not attacking any church. If you invite me in any church, I will go. At the Ikoyi prison, the prison church, the in charge, Oga Julius Ogueri, DCC Julius Ogueri, the day he did Thanksgiving, I was there in the church. I started with the priest, everything until they finished. I even gave offering. You hear me? So why on a brain did they easily turned around by these criminals? How is telling you to go to the hospital instead of going to buy olive oil that will not work anything on you, attacking the church? You mean the church is a 419 place now? You are the one that is attacking the church by associating such characters with the church. Are you understanding it now? Now you now that attack the church. By calling this one a part of the body of Christ, you are bringing disgrace to the body of Christ. These are criminals. Nobody fit touch padlock, e go open. Nobody fit pray for blind person, eye go open. They say, but Jesus did it in the Bible, so this person is Jesus now. This person is now Jesus. That's what you mean. Oh, Paul prayed for that man, so this one now is Paul. Were you there when Paul existed? No, I'm not arguing with between you over what Paul did or not. I'm telling you that this one I'm seeing Wodoshi. Understand it. Okay? My people, let's clap now or here. I could explain this thing now. No, they see the reaction. I be on, if you follow them, they listen to this teaching. This teaching now, what will they teach every day? Eh? All this one they do. Look on that the Odogu is back. Hello, my brother. Hello. Oh.
Can you hear me, sir?
But no, we can't. The problem is disturbing. So, my people, in the absence of any contribution or question, I think we need to draw the curtain right here. I love you all. Tomorrow morning, I will play the short video. Okay, I will cut it, use it to make a short video, and run an analysis on it. Share it to everyone. Now, let's see who is going to share it and who is not going to share it. For you to know they know what they are doing in Doshi. Well, we fuck them up and we continue to fuck them up. Let them bring their, they will hide their faces forever, for eternity. They will hide their faces for eternity. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you all. Good night.